Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.
Yo, 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 what's up? What's up, fam? What's up, fam? What's up? So late session, yeah, I got on a little late, but I didn't think I'd be able to get on for New York today, but I guess I can. So we already see here that NQ had a huge open at New York Open. So we're almost tapping into this high right here. What's up, Tony? What up, my guy? So if we can take out this high, I would expect like actually a nice drop from here. But man, this is huge. This is huge, but we're so close to all-time highs that it's very unpredictable what it could do. It could just shoot past here and then just keep going higher. Yeah. Or it can tap into here, wick up just a little bit, and then have a huge drop. But I don't really know. So I'm gonna go over to gold. Let's see what gold's doing. So gold looks pretty good for some entries here. Gold looks pretty good. If we can close above here, we should have enough range to come at least all the way up here. That's a lot of ticks. I mean, that's a lot ticks and pips. That's like 200 ticks, 200 pips. So we pull this over. If we close above here, we'll also be closing above here. So that's nice. So that leaves us a lot of clean range to come up here. A lot of clean range. We're already closing above here. I was watching this earlier today. But we had like a small little fake out. It came back down. It never took out this stop though. So if we were to have entered here, our stops would have been down here. It never came down, barely came and tapped into it. Didn't tap into it, but barely came in, almost tapped into it. So if we can close above here, there should be enough range for us to push up. And Tony, I already know you know this strategy, bro. You already know this strategy because you watch Time to Eat trading. Very similar. Very similar. So yeah, that's really all we're doing right now. Let's see. Let's play some music. Can't even hear the music. Oh yeah, you can. All right, yeah, so that's all we're waiting for, is to just get this going. I'm gonna put myself on the right side because I like to watch. I need to see the left side. So yeah, that's good. Let's see what happens here, fam. That's all I really want to see is that. And let's see. 4 hour has closed bullish. Okay, so if we do move up, this is actually, guys, we could come all the way up. I don't know if we'll come all the way up today, but we just might. We just might. Especially if we close above here, I'll definitely be looking to take longs off of a retest. All I want is a closure and then a wick entry off of the retest from the wick and then to go higher. Stops, I don't know where stops will be just yet, but for now, let's do this. Bro, how the fuck you going from these retarded lines? Bro, don't come on the fucking live and it's your first time on here and you're over here talking shit about someone's strategy when you haven't even seen it play out. All right. Anyways, these are support and resistance lines. This is a strategy. This is a strategy of Raja Banks. So if you want to sit here and clown someone's strategy, you're clowning a millionaire, bro. You're clowning a millionaire. So step back, sit down, and stay humble. Okay. Thank you. Anyways, so if we can close about above here, this is the 30 minutes right here. I would like to see us close above here. But closing above here would be fine too, because this is the 1 hour. So if we can close above here on the lower time frame, this would be nice too. Because you know how it goes. Higher time frame movements, they are highly more in favor of your trades. They have more confirmation. It's more reliable on the higher time frame versus trading on the lower time frame. It's not as reliable. Yeah, you can get some sniper entries, you can get really nice moves, but it's not as reliable and it's a little bit more stressful, I would say. From his course sellings, not his trading, you assure me that? Okay. Sure. Pretty sure Raja Banks got rich way before any of that even fucking happened. Literally trade live with the guy. Bro has given away so much free knowledge, and you're just one of those. You're one of those guys. You're one of those traders. You're one of those traders that look at really highly and successful and favorable traders, and you look down on them and their success because you're not there yet. So I'm sorry, but I feel bad for you, bro. That's okay. There's a lot of traders out there like that. The ones that aren't humbled just quite yet. I literally flipped my account and got multiple payouts just by using his strategy. So Talk down on it all you want, brother. Not only did I flip my account, I made more. Like I flipped it. I literally flipped that shit in like a week or something like that. But that was when I was on Forex, and Forex is a little bit easier to risk a little bit more and add entries and shit like that. It's a little bit easier on Forex to gain your profits quickly. Not so much on futures. Futures is way more risk management. It's just risk management in futures is just highly favorable. And that's just what needs to happen. Forex, Like Forex, I don't know. It's just a little easier. Yeah. So we literally have fucking like 21 minutes till this candle closes. Let's look at the 15. We might be able to take it off the 15. But this 15 closes in 6 minutes. So if this 15 can close above here, I will be interested in taking longs. Watch the price breaks the line, then goes under it to test it. Your stop doesn't make sense, but it's your account. Bro, I already said I don't know where my stops are going to be yet. My stops are going to be based on a candle closure. And there has not been a candle that closes above this line yet. Yeah, it is my account. And it's actually not my stream. This is Trading Nut stream. I'm just on here. Bro, there's always somebody like you on somebody's live stream. There's always somebody like you on somebody's live stream. If you don't want to be on the live stream, if you don't like the strategy, if you don't like the setup, get off. It's very simple. There's an X button and you can just click it, or you can click back. You can click multiple videos on the right-hand side. There's more videos to watch. Go ahead. Goodbye. I have plenty of people on here that have taken multiple trades with me and make hella money. So I don't need one person to come on here and tell me differently. You're only one person, bro. Exactly. Thank you, Jason. Appreciate you, my brother. What's up, Jason? Good to see you on here today, bro. Good to see you on here today, my guy. It's all right. It's all right, guys. There's always one person like that on somebody's stream trying to talk down instead of like, get off, bro. Just go trade on your own. It's simple. Hey, Blessed Rose from Kenya. Do you do live every day? Oh, let me show these comments over here. Well, it'll be over my face. Oh, it's right there. It's right there. From Kenya, do you do live every day? Yes, actually. Yes. Well, not every day, Monday through Wednesday, but I'm actually going to start doing it every day. Whenever I have time, I'm just going to start hopping on. So it's not really going to be like there's scheduled streams that I will be on for, but then I might just randomly hop on if I have time for a session. Good for you guys. I'm being real. That's it. Don't be on the defensive. What time frame is that? Oh, okay. All right, you back now, brother. Oh. It's on the 30-minute time frame right now. We're on the 30. Wow for NQ. Not for US 30, just for NQ and gold. Right now, this is gold. This is gold. Okay. Let me put it above my head. This is the 15. This is the 30. So it doesn't look like we'll close above here just yet. We only have 2 minutes left in this candle. So we might have to wait for the next 15. I have really blown a lot of counts. That's okay. We all have. We all have. That's just how it is as a trader when we're learning. Also, Blessed Rose, you can join my Discord. It's completely free. I do post signals in there for free when I do have a chance to post a signal. At least a few times a week. So you can join the Discord, just copy the link right there, put it into your browser, and then bada boom, bada bing, baby, just join the Discord. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Africa is not easy. I'll let you know when I'm on the live and everything in the Discord, so you don't miss out. He said don't get defensive, but he's over here trying to fucking call my shit retarded. Makes no sense. Do you have a YouTube channel? Yes, I do have a YouTube channel as well. This is my YouTube channel. I have YouTube and I have IG. I post more on my IG than I do on YouTube, but I mean, I post on YouTube too, but I just find it easier to post on IG, and I feel like I gain more attention, more audience on IG versus YouTube. Not even going to respond. All right, we got 15 minutes now. Now this looks pretty good. If the 15 closes above, then that means the 30 will close above. And then that means we could have a nice time to enter into this trade. I'd like to see the high of here taken out. Nice little closure above, retest, and then we get an in. And then we're going to be getting in, baby. But I need to see a closure first before I enter on anything. Nice, thanks. I'm trying to move away from swinging and holding trades longer with bigger drawdown and to scalp instead, but my strategy is getting wrecked. Honestly, sometimes people are scalping, right? And it's like you think it's a scalp, but in reality, you're actually fucking just entered into a whole ass day trade or a swing trade, but you don't really know because you're a scalper. You're only looking for small ranges, small price action movements, small profits. We're selling the retest on NQ, right? I don't know. Let me look at NQ. So we took out the high, right? Like I said. So we took out this high, and now it's starting to reject. But I don't know, because now we just literally made all-time highs on NQ. We just made all-time highs on NQ. So we took out all of this liquidity. We took out all of these highs within this range here. So you can see right here. Oh, hold on. Let me just put an alert for gold right here. So we got an alert here. But I want to put an alert for when the bar closes. Okay, so it's coming up above here. Looks good. Oh, wait. Hold on. I want this to be here on the 30, not the 1 hour. Okay. All right, so we're up here now. We're crossing above. Now all we're doing is waiting for a closure for gold. And then we could look for a wick entry off of the retest and then go higher. So right now, this is where my stops would be for now. And then as it goes higher, I will be trailing my stops probably here and then higher, blah, 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 break even, blah, 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 blah. So, okay. All right, so I got that. Let me look at NQ real quick. Okay, so you guys can pretty much see how it pretty much created this trend line, right? So it's right here. Yeah, there it is. Right here. So we just broke it, took out all of these highs. So what we could see is a correction in the market. Okay, we typically have corrections in the market once we see huge pumps like this. So you're going to ask yourself, what's the probability of this trade continuing higher versus going lower? And the probability of it going higher, I mean, I feel like right now it's a 50-50 just because we are at all-time highs. If we were not at all-time highs, I could say I want to see more of a reversal happen. But we are at all-time highs. So it's just hard to say. I need to see closures happen. I need to see some type of resistance formed first before I can even say, okay, let's take some shorts. There's no true resistance just yet. It's just so bullish. Congrats on my marriage. Thank you, Nebula Markets. Yo, how'd you know that? Did I say that? I think I said it on a stream, or maybe Cam said it, Trading Nut. But yeah, I appreciate that, bro. I got myself a beautiful Latina treats me so good. She treats me so good. Yo, if y'all are single, you need to be fucking marrying someone in the Hispanic realm, okay? They have some of the best love, bro. The best love. Or Italians. Thank you. I appreciate that. We need to retest before going higher again. Yeah. So for NQ, this would be my strategy for NQ. What I would like to see for NQ, but we're just so far away. If we were here, we had this break here. I could have gotten in here and then went higher, but I wasn't on at the time. So what I really want to see is the same thing, break and retest. It's the same strategy, but it's not really the same strategy, but the what am I trying to say? Like the background of it is the same. Break and retest for this, and then gold also break and retest. But for NQ, I'm looking for a break and retest of the New York Open. And for gold, I'm just looking for a break of resistance and then a retest of that break and then pump up. So, I mean, you could technically see this as a resistance as well. Arian, what's up, man? Where you been, bro? Where you been, brother? I'm doing good. How are you? NQ is just a little risky today. What is gold doing? We got 7 minutes left here. I'm gonna look at the daily. See, for gold, if we look left, are you busy with work? Excuse me. Shit. Damn. Excuse me. All right. Haven't been trading recently. That's all right, bro. Get your capital up. Make that capital so that you can trade. What does a job do for you guys? For everybody as new traders, it gives us our capital. And what do we need to trade? We need fucking capital. We need money, honey. Money, honey. So rob that job of all that money. Rob their shit, bro. So we can see here. Okay. So if you come here, this is the 1 hour time frame. And you see that we have pretty much a double bottom here, right? A lot of rejections going on. We have rejections here, here, here. Pretty much made these lows. We took out the lows. And from here to here. So all of this, right? All of this. But first, let's start here. So you can come to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. And if you notice, candles closing side by side like this and wicking in pretty much the same area, what you're going to do is you're going to take your rectangle, your little rectangle, and you're going to start from the bottom of the candle down to the wick. And then we're going to scroll left. And what happened here? What happened here? This is, what kind of level is this? This is a level of consolidation, also reversal. Reversals happen in this area, and consolidations happen in this area. What do we usually see after consolidations? Some type of breakout. Thanks, bro. Thanks so much. Thank you, bro. We're having the wedding in January. We're gonna have a winter wedding. We're getting married on the same day we got engaged. So yeah. But yeah, so this is a pretty valid level. That is why we have been pumping up from here. So if we also look left, higher, we can see that once we did break above here, we just pumped up, right? So we could be mirroring this entire move right here. We could be mirroring this entire move. Oh, sorry, I didn't show you. This whole move right here. Wow, that's terrible. But yeah, right here. All in here. Okay. So from here, we pumped up, moved up, and now from here, we're doing pretty much the same exact thing. Okay. Oh, it's on Discord? About my wedding? Really? Where the hell did I put that? I don't even remember doing that. All right. I'm glad you're back, Aryan. Definitely get back into it. Don't quit, bro. Don't quit. Don't quit. Make this shit either replace your job or just give you some extra side money on the side. Because not everybody trades to completely lose their job. Some people just trade to have extra income, you know. You're in here? I don't even see your name. I don't even see you in the Discord. Where you at? Oh, you are in there. What's up, Renzel? I'm looking for scalp longs from 3302 into 3310 target. What are you trading? I'm confused. You must be trading XAU USD, huh? Yeah, you are. No, that's actually a really good trade. That's actually a really good trade. Are you on Forex though, or are you on gold or futures?
From 39 back to
Yeah, I figured you're on gold, huh? Yeah, this is nice. Another way I do trade in Q2 is like inverse FEGs, but I don't like trading all-time highs like this. Oh my God, we didn't close above, did we? Almost. Let me see something. It's let's see. I'm trying to see if I want to take this or not. I'm thinking about it. My day's pretty good, Renzel. Sorry, bro. How's your day, bro? I'm trying to see if I want to take this trade or not. Yeah, I'm going to take it. Okay, it's a little risky trade, but I'm going to take some buys on the break of this high. So I'm going to put a buy stop right above here. Let me see. Hold on. I got to see how much I'm risking real quick. I think I'll risk 9. All right, yeah, I have a buy stop on the break of these highs, guys, okay? Stops are going to be kind of a wide stop, very wide stop. I think I will use. Okay, well, I just got activated, so it doesn't even matter. But I'm just gonna go back to my normal right here. I'll use this 15-minute low as my stops. So let's see what happens here. It's a little risky, guys. So just because we didn't really have the closures, but I'm expecting volume and momentum to give us the trade that we want. So let's see what happens here. Okay. Jesus. I'm hitting my pin. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and close 3, guys. 3. Okay, I just closed 3. Nice. That was about what? 20 pips, 22 ticks. At that white line, I'm going to close a couple more. Where even is that white line? Let me see. 3, 3, 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. I'm going to close a couple more. I just closed 2 more. Ah, damn it. I didn't even take this shit on my Top Step account. I only took it on my damn Apex account. Only have 4 cons in right now. Only 4 in right now. I'm going to go break even. Okay. Let's go break even. Just because, yeah, just because. Where even is my... Let's close 2 more. So now I only have 2 running, and I'm at break even for 2. If it takes me out, I can always get back in. All right, I just got out. That's fine. That's fine. A little, like I said, it was a little risky, so I was trying to really manage my trade there. But that was nice. What was that? Like 30 pips? Nothing too crazy, but hey, what did we see? That's nice. 0 drawdown. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. Where's that person now? Exactly. Where you at? Where you at, brother? Does candle have enough of a bottom wick? Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it doesn't really matter to me. Like, okay, let me show you. Down here, we had no bottom wick at all. No bottom wick at all. So when you see a candle that has no bottom, literally no bottom wick whatsoever, there's a higher probability that there's no type of rejection from below and that it's just going to pump up. Or the opposite. If it's a bearish candle and there's no wick from the top, there's a higher probability that it's going to drop lower. Small profits, but like, I'll take it. It's cool. I'll take it. I started a new channel. I don't know. Did I? I don't think so. This is the Discord. If you're talking about my Discord, there it is. It's going to run up just like I said. Yeah, if this does close above here, we have 20 minutes. We still have 20 minutes to enter again. You know what I mean? We still have 20 minutes to enter again. It's just I was being very cautious of it because it was risky to me because we didn't have that full closure above just yet. So it took me out of break even, and that's perfectly fine with me. I got 33 tick pips, whatever you want to call it. And if it closes above, I might just re-enter again. So there's always room for another entry. It's just about managing your risk or managing your trade, right? So yeah, exactly. Profits are profits. It's all good. It's all good in the hood. But yeah, if we get that closure, I'm definitely getting back in. And I'm running it up. I'm going to run that shit up. But if we close below here, I think I'm just going to be done for the day. If we close below, I'm getting off. Let's go. That's right, Jason. I'm posting that comment right up there. Right there, baby. Oh, wait. You know what I mean. I need to grab my water. Right there at that white line, right? That's why I had that white line marked out right there. Why did I have it marked out right there? Because of this right here. Let me come down to the one. Well, I guess it doesn't really matter. But I marked out this white line here because over here, we look left, right? Always look left. We can see that we had a strong reaction from here, from this candle. Strong reaction. We can even bring it further across, right? And we can see here at this white line, what happened here? We had a huge break above. Huge break above. White line, tapped into it, rejected, did what? We pumped up to here. Broke down into this white line again. What happened? We broke above it, tried to continue lower, failed, and then pumped right back up, right? So this area right here, pretty key. It's a key level. Key level. Man, your trading style is close to Raja and Don Vo. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I actually started off watching Don Vo a couple years ago when I first started trading. And I learned a lot of market analysis from him, like learning how to read the charts. I learned a lot of that from him, but the strategy is Raja. I hate the way Don Vo trades. I'm sorry to say it, but I hate it, dude. And I know a lot of people can say that. I know a lot of people can say it. But the way he reads the markets, the analysis, oh, it's beautiful. He has a beautiful market analysis. It's beautiful. I just don't like the way he enters his trades. Yeah, a lot of people don't like the way he trades, but the way he analyzes is really nice. I'll give him that. All right, it's looking pretty good, guys. We have 1 minute till closure. Might enter off of this 5 minute. Off of this 15. Okay. We could still get the same entry. Actually, same exact entry. So we got 50 seconds until this closure. It's looking pretty good. Awesome one today. You have been profitable. Awesome. I love it. Hell yeah. Even on NQ? Nice. Congrats. Lately, I've just been really wanting to trade gold. NQ is great and all, but I feel like NQ is just a bit more risky because it's how volatile it is. Gold is volatile too, but I feel like it's a bit easier to manage your trade on gold versus on NQ. All right, so we got 3, 2, 1, and we have our closure. So I am going to get my wick entry, guys. I'm going to get my wick entry off of this 15. I really want it to come back down to here first, if it can. I'm putting a buy stop right here at, not buy stop, buy limit at 3317 for GC futures. Hold on. Oh, shit. I kind of want to wait for this 30-minute to close. The only reason I say that is because the 1 hour is closing soon. Okay. Well, let me see. Actually, guys, I'm not gonna get out. I'm not taking this trade. I'm not taking it. It's a little overextended right now. It's a little overextended. What I want to see actually is some nice resistance formed first. It's a little overextended right now. We are how many pips deep? 163 pips. So we could see some type of small pullback first before we even get that move up. And I don't think it's going to happen until after this hourly closes. Yeah, I'm not going to take this trade on the 15. I'm going to stay on the 30 for this just because we are overextended here. This trade is actually going to be a little bit more riskier than the initial trade if I take it on the 15 again like that. But yeah, I'm just going to stay out of that for now. Let's just stay out of that. I'd rather wait for this 30. Yeah, exactly. Gold is a little bit more predictable than NQ. Exactly. You took the words out of my mouth, bro. I feel like it's because NQ is way more news based. It's way more news based. It's like gold is news based too, economy wise, but it's just that, you know. It's not like more things. It's just that, like it's just a commodity. No más. Así no más. Yeah, I love gold, bro. It's just sexy, man. It's just so sexy. It's a sexy one. But yeah, I had 9 cons in. Made that out of that. That's fine. Let's see what NQ doing. Oh damn! Look at NQ. Oh shit! It just tapped into the fucking open. It just tapped into the open. I might take some NQ longs actually. Oh my gosh! I don't know though. Damn. Damn. That's a pretty big drop. God damn, NQ. I came all the way back into New York Open. Sometimes I use New York Open as my TP as well, like off of reversals. Damn, NQ. God damn. Pumped all the way up and then just pumped all the way right back down. 155 points up and then 155 points down. That's crazy. It corrected its entire move instantly. That's what I was looking for, a little correction in the market. But it's all-time highs. It's hard. It's hard for me. I wasn't even looking though. If I had seen this 15 close, I'm sorry, Blessed. You were trying to tell me too. I was so focused on gold. But yeah, if I were to have seen this 15 close, I definitely would have got in off of this entry here. Oh man, that would have been really nice. This would have been a really nice entry. It's okay. It's okay. I don't think it's smart to take longs right now. Let's take the buy. Oh, damn. Okay, well, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute, because the 1 hour is about to close. Hold on a minute. Dang, why are you yelling at me, girl? Overbought, oversold. Maybe we'll pump back up again. I do like it, however. Oh my God, what the fuck is that? Let's see. Let's see. It's gonna be risky as fuck if I do take this. Fuck. Let's do it. Let's do it. Where is my fucking... I would like for it to come out. Take this New York low first before it even... Let's see. Just excited. All right, but like, just remember, trading is a game of probability, okay? It could be a win, it could be a loss. But the fact that you chose to press the button does not mean I forced you to press it. You took it because you wanted to, okay? So don't blame me if it's a loss, all right? Okay, I'm gonna try. I'll try it out. I'm gonna try it out a little bit. I'm in here. I'm in here. Where am I in at? 22957. I only have 2 cons in though. Okay, I'm gonna add 2 more. 22961. I'm only coming up here with it, okay? That's it. That's all I want. That's all I want. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And if it takes me out, then it takes me out. Okay? I just want a little bit of it. I don't want a lot. I don't even want that much. Just a little bit. I would rather have my stops down here, but I'd like it here because it could come all the way down here to take it out and then we pump up. But I'm being, like I said, this is a very risky trade. Very, like, this is risky. Risky. It's literally the last 5 minutes of this 1 hour candle. But I'm not really risking much, so. I'm literally risking like $100 or something like that. Risking it for the biscuit. All right, it's looking like it's gonna get hit, to be honest. So yeah, I might get stopped out here. All right. Oh, no. No. Where the fuck is my stream? Oh, there it is. Why do my dollars look like that on the stream right now? Sorry, I don't know why it looks like that. You can't even see. Oh, did it hit my stops or something? I don't know why my position looks like that right now. I literally would have lose what I made, so. Oh, okay. Well, just lost what I made, and that's okay. See, like I said, that shit was risky. Risky. Because we were dropping so much. But look at my gold. Ooh, gold's looking sexy, brother. Gold's looking great. Come on. Okay, yeah, I would definitely looking at this fucking gold trade. Good. Yeah, don't take it. I'm glad you didn't take it because it wasn't. I knew it wasn't going to be that good. That's why I risked very lightly on it. Very light. Kind of want to watch this. I kind of want to watch this NQ though, because I do want longs for NQ. I know it's gonna play out. Oops. Bada boom, bada bang. All right, I'm gonna try this one more time. Let's see what gold's doing. Let's see if we can try gold one more time once this closes. Gold or NQ. Let's see gold. Yeah, I'm about to get off here soon, guys. Getting off really soon. Of course, NQ. Of course you want to pump up now. Yeah. Wanting to come down a little bit further. Okay, I'm gonna put a buy limit right here, guys. 3316 for gold. Well, actually, hold on a minute. Let me see something. Might be here. This will be a crazy RR if this happens. But for now, let's keep it down here. I'm gonna start scaling in here. And then I'll have my buy limits down here, 3316.4. However, if we break this 1 hour high, I'll probably just add the rest of my entry. But I would really love to see it come back down to retest first. Why does my Trativate keep changing the position? Maybe it's because I keep switching over to NQ. Alrighty, bro. Good night. A nap sounds great. I'm getting into this Hot Works workout at like 1:45. It's so dope. It's like a sauna room. How do I explain? I guess, yeah, it's like a sauna room and you go do workouts in it. That's pretty much it. It's like workouts that are led by instructors on a TV while you're just in there in the sauna, burning a sweat, burning some calories, etc. Woo. All right, I'm going to scale some more in. Oh, shit. Kind of going for a big risk here. Yeah, I am making sure that it's not just a fake out, but because right now it's looking like it's trying to create equal highs here on the 30 and on the 15 and on the 1 hour. And if it does, then yeah, we could be fucked. But let's see what happens on the retest. Now, if this candle flips, we're golden. We're golden, baby. We're golden. And I'm basing all of this on closure above, and let me make sure you guys can see it. Everything to the left from here. Here and here. Oh shit. Ouch. But that's okay. I had a really good day yesterday and Tuesday, or Monday and Tuesday. So I'm okay if today is a loss. Because we do have FOMC minutes today. It's not like the FOMC. It's just minutes. Did I not get activated? Let me see. Oh, well, it was right there. It almost activated me. I'll just... see how it reacts to this retest right here. Yeah, if this 15 closes like this, I might get out of this trade and cut my losses short. But let's see. We got 2 minutes left in the 15. Anything could happen. So let's see what happens. That last big sell cycle didn't finish properly. Yeah, you know, the original real target would be all the way down here, this swing low. But since we bounced from here, I'm expecting a nice little correction. Just like we did over here. All right, it's not looking too hot on this 15. But what we could also be doing is, since we're creating this resistance here, creating a resistance so that we can break above it. Oops, sorry. Excuse me. Yeah, it's a little overextended, so that's what I was saying. I was saying that this gold buy is a little overextended, but the fact that we did close above here, on the 1 hour especially, I would like to see us continue higher. Now, if we close back below this line, all right, that's not going to be good at all. And this 15 is looking like it's about to close pretty bearish. What is the symbol to see the same chart as you? I'm trading GC1, gold futures, MGC, micros. Yeah, GC1, Comex. Yep. Yes, sir. So we didn't close back below. We still closed above that, this little key level here. This could just be a little pullback. Yeah, I pay for this damn feed. That is correct, Project Skills. I pay for this shit through Trativate. $33.21. Oh, nice. You entered at the top. Yeah, I was literally about to reverse this position and just put stops right up here. But I gotta see, man. I gotta see, brother. I'm still waiting. I'm going based off of this 1 hour. Truly. And my stops are all the way down here, so if we break this low, I'm probably gonna reverse this position. All right, we just broke the low. Because if we look at this 4 hour though, it doesn't really have a bottom wick, right? And it hasn't closed. 4 hours still open. It has 2 hours and 39 minutes left. but this is my strat. And if I go against it by going reverse, and it hits my TP, I'd be really mad at myself. But if it hits my stop loss, I can't be too mad at myself because I just went with the strat, right? So right now, I'm thinking that accepting the risk on this trade is probably the better choice for me and my strategy. Because anything could happen. I think I'm just going to leave my stop loss where it is, accept the risk. I'm going to put a TP1 here. If I lose, I'm losing just like 1%. So accepting the risk with my strategy. So I'm going to do that, and I'm just going to let it go, play out. Well, actually, hold on. Where's my entry? Right here. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this magnet. Where the fuck is my entry at? 3319. A little over 1%. I forgot my entry was actually all the way up here, not down here. So a little over calculated risk there. Whoops. That's okay, because I kind of like this 15, how it's forming. It's looking pretty good. Yeah. All right, I'm going to just leave my shit here, let it rock. You guys know where my entry is. Yeah, here. I'll just let it play out here. I'm going to put at 3288. Oh, you think it's going to come all the way down here first? I don't know, because we've already tapped into here multiple times. 1, 2. We made a double bottom already. We already retested the low though. Like we retested the low like over here, right? Or you're talking about like the most recent low. I'm talking about the most recent low. So we broke down here on this side and created a swing low. And then here, once we broke down here, this is where we created the swing low at, right? And then we started pressing back up. So I am seeing this as a rejection of wanting to come down to take out this swing low from this zone, or we're coming up here to create a new higher low to come push back down, right? Ah, Tony, you must have gotten in at my buy limit. Unlike me, I started scaling in. Sometimes I do that, and sometimes I get mad at myself for doing that shit. The discipline is still in works. What's up, Tony? The London session low. Well, see, I would agree with you, but we already closed above these Asia highs. You know, if we close below the Asia highs, then I could see why we want to come back down here and retest the low. But I don't know, bro. I'm just going to stick to what price action's telling me right now. Or these closures above the resistance and so. But yeah, I'm going to put a alert right here. But yeah, I mean, I could be wrong and you could be right, bro. But you could be wrong and I could be right. I mean, that's just how the fucking trading game works. Like, damn. Might just be taking some time here. I'm gonna leave it on the 1 hour because I'm really basing this trade off of the 1 hour time frame. How much you risk per trade? Sometimes a little over 1%, sometimes a little under 1%. Let's say I average between 300 to maybe like 600, 700. It really just depends on how confident I am in the trade and how much range there is for TP. How much volume is in the market, how volatile it is. Like, for example, if it's an NFP or a CPI day, I'm probably going to be risking a lot smaller. A lot smaller. But yeah, guys, so this 30 just closed, I see, as a resistance. I'm thinking about closing this trade. Because the only way now I'd really like it is if we close above here. So since we are closing like that, but now see, 15 closed. Hold on. 15 closed bullish, but the 30 closed bearish. But the 1 hour is still open, and it's still pretty much respecting this level. What's the 5 minute doing? It's just hard to say because the time frames aren't completely aligning. It's nice that this resistance is here, and if we can break above this resistance, that's even more confirmation that we are going to push up. But if we create another level of resistance, especially on this 15 and within this first 15, if we create another level of resistance, or if we even fucking break past here, I'm probably just going to close the trade out and cut my losses short. I'm still waiting for 3303 to enter. If I get, I enter. If not, I trade Asia. I like that mindset. You know what? I'm going to move my stops. I'm going to actually reverse this position, guys. And I'm going to be using this as my... Because when this happens, it's more than likely going to be coming back down. We could at least come down literally where Nebula just said. So I'm reversing right here. And then if it actually takes me out, I'm going to be like, wow, okay, Kayden. But yeah. Because it closed as a resistance. So it's telling us that buyers are slowing down and they could die out now. And it's also at a key level. So now, technically, we have clean range to this side. This is all clean range. And then if we can break past this, I'm going to add a buy stop below here. I mean, not a buy stop, a sell stop below here. Because right now I'm not really risking too much, right? So if we can add, if I have a sell stop, and then we actually break below here, that's going to be really nice. All right, yeah, I have a sell stop at 3315.6. And I think I'm gonna take a little. I need to like step away for a second, guys. I need to breathe. Let's go. 3288. Yeah, we're gonna be coming down. I want my TP right here. We could have TP here, and then we do have these equal lows, so I could see why Perry sees us there. Hell yeah, Perry. Okay, Perry. I like you guys on here. Yeah, it's an invalid trade. We closed as a resistance on the 30, so we could just be forming a top wick on the 4 hour just to come on down. And then that means that this daily candle could close bearish. And if we do, that means we'll be closing like a small bearish if we do. And if we close a small bearish, we could see potential for longs. Oh, okay. Buy stop just got activated. I mean, sell stop. Yeah, FOMC is at like 2 p.m., isn't it? Or it's just minutes too, dude. It's just minutes. It's just minutes. It's not like actual FOMC. Yeah, it's at 2 p.m., so we're good. We're good. Oh, FOMC minutes later. I thought you meant like FOMC is minutes later, but you literally meant FOMC minutes is later. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. Okay, very nice. I would like to see us come down here more. So I have 10 cons in currently. Let's see, I want to close half of it soon. Where am I in at? 317. Oh, I was like, where did my stuff go? I forgot All right, we can delete that. Let's delete this. We'll close 5 here at this 1 to 5. Where's my fucking... Oh, okay. All right, what are we up now? Already up about 34 pips, 21 tips and ticks and pips and dicks. I think news is usually the time to start the trade or end the trade. I would rather end my trade at news and then trade like after. But I don't know. I don't really like trading FOMC because FOMC is really choppy. You know, FOMC is always fucking choppy. It's like, that's one of the choppiest news days. And then NFP and CPI volume like crazy. But FOMC, FOMC is a fucking joke. Unless Powell is really obviously going to say something that's obviously really going to move the markets, or if there's just a lot of uncertainty, it's probably just going to be a lot of fucking chop. A lot. Trump keeps tweeting Mr. Too Late to cut rates. Trump is something, bro. That's an interesting guy, man. Yeah, and I'm going to be on for Asia. Well, unless, because I also do healthcare. I'm a caregiver for people. I just like to, I feel like that's one of my callings, so outside of trading, I'm also a caregiver. Big heart over here, bro. Big heart over here. Why do you think I'm doing all this shit for the free? But yeah, I help take care of the elderly. I think it helps me feel good. I take care of old people. I make sure they're okay. I like to do that. It helps me. Bruh. Ain't no way. Bruh, ain't no way. Ain't no way this thing's about to flip right now. Ain't no way. I love the old people. My grandma was in hospice care at my parents' house in 20. Let's see, how old was I? Maybe 2019, 2018 or so. Yeah, that's kind of what started it for me. And then this is just kind of my way of giving back, Eventually I want to start some type of home healthcare company. My aunt, well, my second cousin, you could say, she has her own healthcare company right now. So that's a goal of mine. I want to do that. Make sure these old people are getting the care that they need. You know what I mean? You're still holding? Yeah, me too, bro. I'm still holding. And I'm probably just going to go walk away for a second. I'm probably just going to go walk away for a second. Because I need a little break. I've been sitting here for, almost 2 hours. That's it? Oh, I thought it was more than that. I'm gonna just take a little step for a second. Excuse me. So I'll be right back. Oh, I forgot. This whole time I was talking to myself. I do that a lot. I think it's on, I forget it's on mute. Yeah, bro, I don't know about this. I mean, it's kind of okay because this 1 hour just closed and it closed bearish. So I still kind of like it. Let's look at the 4. The 4 hour still has a chance that it could flip potentially. And the 4 hour will flip here. Let's see where that is on the 1 hour. So right here. So if we do grab all of the liquidity within this 1 hour candle, we do have that possibility of continuing lower. And if we pretty much just sum it up here, because all I was really looking for today was like a quick long scalp. And then my overall bias for like the long term was shorts. So I really want to sit here and target this swing low, but I see this as a push up first. So this could be our lower high before we make that initial move all the way down like you were talking about, Perry, because this is really what the low I have been looking at since the start of the week, taking out this low. So let's see, we can break this down as, and it is skeptical, huh? Skeptical to watch. But we do have FOMC minutes too, so that could be another reason. But I talk to myself too. They say it's healthy. Really? What do you say? I want to know what you say, bro. What do you say? What do you say? Just comment on the task at hand. Well, yeah, it's like talking to yourself in the mirror, right? It's like teaching yourself those charismatic skills. But yeah, I definitely see lower now that I'm looking at it a bit more, because we have our higher low here that we made. Where's my magnet? We made a higher low. And then we made our lower low here. And now we're coming back up. As soon as we passed here, right? We came down here, continued to come down. We broke past here. So this is our nice area of taking out that liquidity to make a new higher low before we come all the way back down to make another lower low. Yeah. So if we miss this move, which I did initially, I was looking at this move. I actually took some shorts from over here. Right? Yeah. I took shorts from here. I think it was, oh yeah, this was Monday. That's right. I did take shorts here. I grabbed a good bit of that. Snap to indicators. Oh, thanks, bro. But yeah, so we have our higher low. Then we made our lower low. We broke past this area, and this area is what made our higher low, right? We broke up from here. Oh, shit. We broke up from here, went up, made our higher low. Oh my God. Made our higher low here. Came down, took out this liquidity. Went up, came down, took out the liquidity from the higher low. From the lower low. And now, this makes sense. This is starting to make a lot of fucking sense right now. It's starting to make a lot of sense right now. Boys and girls, Houston, I believe we have takeoff. Exactly, because that's what the market does, right? That's what the fucking market does. Comes up. Quiet. It comes up. Hold on, let me come over here. Yeah, that looks better. Comes up. Goes down. Like we just did. Retest the low like we just did. Comes down. Comes down. Right? So if we look at this as let's look at this as a line chart real quick. You can see all of your higher lows. So we failed to continue higher and started breaking down, creating higher highs and higher lows. And now, looking to take out this low, this swing low here. Okay. We have equal lows sitting here. Let me take off this. So, whoops. Oh, these are Hakanashi candlesticks. If nobody's ever traded with them, these are Hakanashi candlesticks. I used to trade with them too. Hakanashi candlesticks show you volume and candles. It shows you the volume and the candle. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's the target really for gold, that swing low. So until we reach that swing low, maybe we can just look for shorts in the market. Yeah, Japanese candlesticks. Hi. It's like that little girl. Oh, hold on. You guys can't see my froze. What's up, Sai? What's up, SY? How are you? What's this radiant skincare you're on? What is that? You fancy, huh? So yeah, we're retesting this low. We took out the liquidity, or this lower high. I mean, you know, I said what I said. I said what I said. I've been talking too much. I've been talking for 2 hours. Wait, what? What do I think for Asian? I think. Wait, hold on. Do we have any news tomorrow? I don't remember. Before I even say that. Oh, okay. We just have unemployment claims for New York session. So for Asia session, people were already saying on here that they're expecting some shorts, but we could probably see some nice longs for Asia into shorts for both London and New York. Or maybe London will be our consolidation like it was today, kind of. Longs for Asia, maybe consolidation a bit for London, and then expansion for New York. That sounds about right. It must be Radiant, right? Like, what is this Radiant skincare? It must be very radiant. Oh shit. Well, I kind of have to go, so it's just gonna do what it does, and I'm just gonna leave it running, I guess. Nah, because I'm not even gonna be back until like 3:30. Well, I forgot I have to go. I just looked at my phone and I was like, oh shit, I got a text. But it looks like it might just fucking take us out, to be honest. And if it does, whatever, to be honest. Like, whatever. Let me just make sure I have everything in place where it needs to be. If it takes us out, Perry, you're buying me lunch, bro. My longs. Because we have a lot of rejections, bro. Look at all these fucking 15-minute wicks, man. From the to go lower. It's like not really wanting to. Look at this shit. Yeah. Yeah, you're buying me lunch, bro, if this shit hits. But if it hits TP, I'm gonna buy you lunch. But if we go long for the end of New York, maybe we'll be short for Asia. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Anyway, I gotta go. Guys. I gotta get off. I can't. I actually need to end the stream. How many hours away? Like 8 hours away, something like that. 8 hours. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. I gotta go. But yeah, I'll be on later for Asia around 8 p.m. Okay. All right. Bye, guys.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.